All right, so we're coming to you live. We're doing our thing, and it's like we need a sweet treat, but you know what? You're going to have those moments where you're going to want some bad food. I'm pretty sure you see those little eyes right there looking around. It's like, what's some great food? What's a great treat that we can have that's not going to make us feel like bleh? When I say blah, I'm not just saying and feeling how our stomach may feel, but I'm talking about guilt and shame. All right, so first up we have So Delicious Dairy Free. Now, we'll say there's no sugar added. It's dairy free, but it is not gluten free. And just to confirm, this does contain coconut. Coconut is a thing, just to let you know. And we got vanilla bean, but it's made with coconut milk. So, you know, let's pop the top and give this a taste. If you're a person that's watching your gluten, this is going to be something that's going to be for you. If you're a person that is really noticing you have some GI issues, you know, and you're trying to figure out what this is, or could it be dairy? Could it be gluten? Could it be whatever? We're just trying to make sure that we kind of comb through to help your life be a lot easier, to make you feel a lot better. You know, we are not exempt from noticing the fact that there's some foods that bother us. Certain foods make you feel a certain way. And so when we were cramming up this video, we were like, hey, what's something that's real and relatable? Hence, gluten-free, dairy-free. Dairy does not sit well with me. Gluten does not sit well with me. All right, Mr. Man, grab a spoon. Take a spoonful. All right, give me a thumbs up on it over here.
Yummy.
It's yummy? Oh, yeah. Cool. I'm not gonna lie. Man. Buddy, taste that again? So, I'm really surprised by this ending. You just heard little buddies, you know, take on this. Like, so it feels lighter. You know, I'm always watching. There's no dairy in my life because, you know, dairy doesn't sit well with me. You can imagine why. But this isn't lacking any flavor. I mean, it feels delicious on my stomach. Feels delicious in my mouth, and it tastes great. So, okay, vanilla bean. So we got the Rebel. We got butter pecan. I'm a big fan of butter pecan. Again, I'll be honest with you, I don't eat many sweets. I don't. I used to be the biggest sweet tooth craver, you know, when I was younger, but not so much anymore. But when I do have a sweet tooth, I'm going for butter pecan. So we found this is a keto friendly. This is a no sugar added. This is gonna be a full fat, so you're not missing out on anything like that. Lactose free, dairy free option for you, but this is gluten free. All right, Mr. Man.
Different one?
Yep. All right, you taste another bite. Give me a thumbs up or a thumbs down after that second bite. All right, what you got? Oh, we got a thumbs up. We see a thumbs up. Now it's my turn to see what's going down. All right. Kind of a connoisseur. So we have this Rebel, gluten-free, lactose-free, non-GMO. They do not skimp on the nuts. Just got a thumbs up from little buddy. Got a thumbs up from me. I will say by comparison, this doesn't have quite as much flavor, but you know what? It does take care of that sweet tooth you might be feeling. But it's not bad. I'm not going to say it tastes like a Haagen-Dazs, but also I'm not going to say that it doesn't, if that makes any sense. I would pick this. All right. So we already got the So Delicious dairy-free, gluten-free, frozen dessert cookie dough. Who's going to say no to cookie dough? I know I ain't. I don't even like the biggest sweet tooth, but I know I made sure I got cookie dough. All right, Mr. Man, let's see what you got. We got a thumbs up. My turn now. Mm-mm. 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 It's almost medicine-y. No. 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 He loved it. We didn't. It got mixed reviews, and I'll say this because it's got a really good texture. Like you're like, man, it has a texture of ice cream. You can taste the chocolate chips, but it has the aftertaste is like aspartame. This is going to be the worst, easily. What we have decided has been the winner, and it's not just me saying this based upon my taste buds, but little man back here, aka Gingerbread, I didn't even realize that he would like it as much as he did. So that's a big win for any parents out there, or anybody who has people who are very sensitive or selective with food items. He's got some winners. Give it a taste. You might be surprised. Everybody for watching this, we appreciate it. We love the fact that we're able to help and inspire, and you taking the time to be here with us. Check out these other videos because they are just as great, if not better, because they're great recipes and great workouts. I'm gonna see you all next time. Every Tuesday, Thursday, and Saturday.